Hey guys, this is Jen. Alright, so this is my new embroidery machine. I want to show you how to color edit on the Brother or Baby Lock machines that can color edit on them. First and foremost, if you want to know if your machine can color edit on them, the screen will be colored, or you'll have the little yellow scissors, and I'll show you what that is. Okay, so here is one that I just brought in from Urban Threads. Okay, it's a little hedgehog. Okay, so if I need to get this applique over to my ScanNCut, I am going to color edit it on the machine right now. So I'm going to select this. Okay, in here I'm going to go to where I can color edit. So right in there. Okay, the first portion of this, because this is an applique file, I am not making it an applique like I can do in Embrilliance. Okay, I can change a standard file to an applique if I want. This is an applique. It's telling me that right there. Okay, so I need to change that to something in order to get it to cut on my ScanNCut. I'm going to try to bring you in here where you can see this. Mind you, I have 15 other things going on. Okay, so right there is the little orange or yellow scissors. I'm going to click that. Okay, up here it just changed to applique material, the Brother applique material color, which is that kind of funky orangey yellowy color. Okay, right there. That is what that outline has now changed to, is that color. Okay, now I'm going to back it out here. Okay, I'm going to hit close. Okay, I'm going to edit end because I don't want to do any more editing. Now I'm going to come here to memory. Okay, I'm going to save it back out onto my stick. Okay, so there, it just saved it back to my stick. Now I'm going to remove my stick, my little tiny USB stick, from my machine. Yes, if you want to send it wirelessly, you can. But for now, we're going to address it with the USB stick. I'm now going to take my little tiny USB stick over to the ScanNCut. Okay, so now I'm going to plug this little guy into my USB extension cord. We're going to go pattern, save data, right there. Okay, so it comes up as a PHC file, so let's click on that. Okay, and there it is. So let's hit set. Okay, let's go in and magnify this and make sure it is nice and smooth. So there it is, nice and smooth lines. So this is my actual applique cut file. So I'll go and prepare my fabric either with freezer paper, or if I need a fusible, I will back that with, I prefer Heat and Bond Light. Slap that to my mat and cut it out. Yes, I do position all of my fabric cuts into the middle of my mat. I keep it from the sides because what happens is that's going to catch and it's going to pull. Anytime I cut using freezer paper, I make sure my freezer paper sandwich is nice and big, so my freezer paper will extend on all four sides so that my piece of material that I'm cutting is nice and safe within all four sides, and I iron it until it is absolutely cardboard stiff, cracker crisp. Okay, there should be no air pockets within that freezer paper sandwich. If there's an air pocket, that means that fabric can move. If that fabric moves, that means the blade will move the fabric and not cut it. Okay, please see the videos that I have done by searching fabric and my name on my YouTube channel. You will see me use both freezer paper, and at the time Palan had a paper backing. They have now switched to a non-stick backing, which does not work well. Any fusible that has a non-stick backing does not like to stick to our mats. That's why I avoid those at all costs. Heat and Bond Light does have that nice paper backing that likes to stick well to our mats. That is why I use it. Heat and Bond Light does not give me any money, does not sponsor me, doesn't send me anything free for using their product, okay? Alright, so that is how you can go about getting a PHC or PES file from your machine that can color edit on the machine to your 550 or 650 in the United States or 700 and 900 overseas. Alright guys, if you have any questions, you can find me at Scan and Cut Canvas and Scal Help on Facebook. Thanks a lot guys.